Good day all of you. Today we are going to learn types of tenses. As we all know that there are 12 types of tenses. I have categorized into four types. Fourth category for simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Here in simple tense, simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and the last is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. So these are the 12 types of tenses which we have to learn. Okay, so here we will start with simple tenses. In simple tenses we will first learn simple present tense. So the formula for simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. Now what is V1? V1 is the present form of verb. Here I will give you a simple example, so you will come to know how to use simple tenses while performing the sentence. Okay, so subject: I eat mango. I is subject who is performing the verb. Eat is verb doing or action verb. Mango is object. Okay, हमारा verb जिस पर हो रहा है that is object. So subject plus verb plus object. So this is the example of simple present tense. Now if I want to convert this sentence into simple past tense, so what I will do? I will use another formula for simple past tense. For simple past tense I have the formula subject plus V2 plus object. Now what is V2? V2 is the past form of verb. Eat. What is the past form of eat? Ate. What is the past form of write? Wrote. What is the past form of take? Took. So the V2 is past form of verb. Here eat will become ate. Subject will remain same. Object will also remain same. So the past sentence is I ate mango. I eat mango in simple present. I ate mango in simple past. Now if I want to convert it into simple future tense, so the formula for simple future tense is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. So what is subject? I. Will. Our V1 is eat. Object is mango. I will eat mango. The formula was subject plus will plus V1 plus object. And example is I will eat mango. We will revise it once. Simple present tense, subject plus verb plus object. I eat mango. Subject plus V2 plus object. Simple past tense. And the example is I ate mango. Simple future tense, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. And the example is I will eat mango. So we will finish up with simple tenses. Now we will move on to the next type is continuous tense. In continuous tense we have present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. First, present continuous. The formula for present continuous tense is subject plus helping verb, that is am is are. Keep in mind that for I we will use am, for he she it we will use is, and for you we they we will use are. Plus V4. What is V4? V4 is verb plus ing. Verb with ing is known as V4. Plus object. The subject plus helping verb plus V4, that is ing, plus object. Okay, so I will write an example. I, helping verb will be am, plus eat, that is my verb, Now I have to add ing in my verb eating. Mango. Object is mango. I am eating mango. That is in present continuous tense. Now, if I want to convert this into past continuous tense, I will use this formula. Subject plus helping verb plus V4, that is verb with ing, plus object. So my subject, helping verb, make sure if you are using he, she, it, you will use was. And if you are using you, we, they, you will use were. So my subject is I. So with I will use was. I was eating. Verb with ing. Mango. Mango is my object. I was eating mango. I am eating mango. I was eating mango. So this was in present form and this is in past form. Now I'm converting it in future tense. So for the future tense, I have the formula subject plus will be plus ing, V plus ing, that is V4, plus object. So my subject is I, will be eating mango. I will be eating mango. Simple present continuous tense, I am eating mango. Past continuous tense, I was eating mango. Future continuous tense, I will be eating mango. Now, perfect tenses. Present perfect tense. For present perfect tense, I have formula subject plus have, has plus V3. Now what is V3? V3 is past participle form of verb. It usually ends with en or ed. For example, eat will turn into eaten. Take, taken. Okay, so subject is I, have. Why I'm using have? Because I, you, we, they. For I, you, we, they, we will use have, and for he, she, it, I will use has. I have eaten. Eat will turn into, what is the past participle form of eat? Eaten. Plus object, that is mango. I have eaten mango. Now, past perfect. For past perfect tense, the formula is subject plus had plus V3. Again V3, the past participle form of verb, plus object. Subject is I had eaten mango. See, I'm using same formula for each and every example. Same example for each and every formula. So then it will be easier for you to understand. Future perfect. For future perfect, the formula is subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. Again same example. I will have. Eat will turn into eaten. That is V3. I will have eaten mango. Okay. Present perfect, subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. I have eaten mango. Past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object, that is I had eaten mango. For future perfect, subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object, that is and the example is I will have eaten mango. Now it's time to present perfect continuous. The formula is quite longer, but if you learn this, so it will be easier to understand. Subject for simple present, so for perfect for present perfect continuous tense, subject plus have or has plus have plus been plus V4, that is verb with ing plus object. I will repeat: subject plus have or has plus been plus V with plus verb with ing plus object. An example is I will use have, not has, because has is used for he, she, or it, and have is used I, you, we, they. So for I am using I have been V3, V4 eating mango. Now here subject is present perfect tense. I will repeat: I have been eating mango. Now it's time for past perfect tense. For past perfect tense, formula is subject plus had plus been plus V4, that is verb with ing plus object. Subject is I had, as it is, been V4 eating mango. I had been eating mango. Formula was subject plus had plus been plus V with ing plus object. I had been eating mango. Now, future perfect continuous. For future perfect continuous, the formula is subject plus will plus have plus been plus V with ing plus object. So here I will write an example: I will have been eating mango. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus V with ing plus object. So my subject is I, will as it is, have as it is, been as it is. V with ing is eating, object is mango. I will have been eating mango. Okay, so we will revise it again from the very first basic. As we all know that there are 12 types of tenses. The first type is simple present tense. The formula for simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. Next is subject plus next is for simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object. For simple future, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. For present continuous, subject plus have plus V4, that is verb with ing plus object. For past continuous, subject plus helping verb, that is was, were, plus V with ing plus object. For future continuous, subject plus will be plus V with ing plus object. For perfect tense, present perfect, subject plus have, has plus have or has plus plus V3, that is past participle form of verb plus object. Now past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. For future perfect, subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. Now the last one is perfect continuous tenses. For present perfect continuous tense, subject plus have or has plus been plus V with ing plus object. For past perfect continuous tense, the formula is subject plus had plus been plus V with ing plus object. And the last formula is for future perfect continuous tense, that is subject plus will plus have plus been plus V with ing plus object. So these were the 12 formula for 12 types of tenses. If you will go through this formula, it will be easier for you to solve any problem. Thank you so much for watching.